Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to set up Google on Shopify. First, you have to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Now, this is what it looks like. And in order to start, all you have to do is to, of course, open a Google Analytics. But first, let's explore and know where can we paste the link for our Google Analytics and where to find it. So as you can see, if you open your Shopify and you look for Google Analytics, everything you see here is not the one we're looking for. We have to do it manually. Okay, so if I'm going to search for Analytics or Google Analytics, what you see here is not the one I'm referring to. So I'm talking about Google Analytics. So how are we going to do that? First, go to your settings and look for apps and channel. This one, apps and channels. Click this one. And then once you're here, tap this online store. Okay, after you click this one, you need to tap again this open sales channel, which you can see above. Okay, tap this one. And then this is what it looks like. Now here you have to go to preferences. Okay, tap this one. And if you scroll down, and go to this part, you can see here Google Analytics and how do I set this up. So here in this box, we're going to paste the link from Google Analytics. So how to make this? Just go directly to Google Analytics and create your account. To start, you have to type account name, check these boxes, click next, and then property details, type your property name again, and then after that, tap next. Okay, it's the same thing. My account name and property name. And then here, you just have to toggle this one on. And then for this part, you have to check the second one, create a universal analytics property only. And then here, we can copy the link from our Shopify store. Okay, copy the link and then, okay, erase this part first. And after that, you can tap next. And here you can just select any of this option. I'm going to put arts and entertainments and then small business. This one you have to check and accept their terms and agreement. And then once you're done with this, you can now create or you can now have your Google Analytics. So all you have to do is to copy this tracking number. Okay, this is the tracking number. This one is what we're looking for to paste on your Shopify store. Okay, go back to preferences and then scroll down and look for that Google Analytics. Okay, paste the link here and then you have to save this one first. Okay, after you save, check this box and save it again. Now, the very last thing to do is to look for create view. Okay, you can see it here in admin, okay, or in your property. So once you click this one, you can see here create view, look for e-commerce settings, and then make sure that this one is toggled on and another one also is toggled on. Then click save. And that's how easy it is to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.